Today we will discuss Rangakutta second method. In that, the example will be given in this form: dy upon dx, the value of this one, which we currently consider it as x, y, f of x, y, and the initial condition, that means the values of x0 and y0 they have given, and along with that they may have given the step size. H is the step size. Now to use the Rangakutta second order method, we need to find the weightage. I will consider here K1, which is equal to H into f of x0, y0, and the second weightage K2, which is equal to H into f of x0 plus h and y0 plus k1. Now what you have to remember here, you need to concentrate here. Instead of k, I have taken k1, and this value we will take from here. And now by taking this, we need to find mean of this one, mean weightage k. Here it is, mean k, which is half of the k1 plus k2. Now in example, they have given find the value at xg, which is yg is equal to what? So this will be the question. And now yg, which is equal to y0 plus k, this term. And by this way, we will get the value of y at xg, which is nothing but x plus h, x0 plus h. Now for the better understanding, we will take one example for the same. So here it is the example. Using second order Rangakutta method, solve dy by dx is equal to x square divided by 2y with the initial condition y is equal to 1.2 at x is equal to 0, and h, which is the step size, is equal to 0.2. Now we need to find y at x is equal to 0.4. Now if you look here, then this value h is of 0.2, initial value of x is of 0, and we need to find y at 0.4. That means we need to take here two iterations we have to complete. So let's start for the first iteration. So iteration number 1. For that, I need the weightage values k1 and k2. To find the value of k1, the formula is h into f of x0, y0. Now here I will put the values h, which is of 0.2, x0, value of x0, which is 0, and value of y is of 1.2. Now we need to find function at x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1.2. Now we need to put these values in this equation and multiply this by 0.2. We will get here answer which is equal to 0. Since x square, 0 square divided by any term, it will come it as 0, and 0 multiplied by 0.2, it will come it as 0. Now secondly, the value of k2, which is equal to h into f of x0 plus h comma y0 plus k1. Now I will write here the values. The value of h is of 0.2 and function at x0 plus h, x0 is equal to 0 and h is of 0.2. So I will write here 0.2, 0 plus 0.2, which is equal to 0.2, and y0 plus k1. Currently y0 is of 1.2 and k1 is equal to 0. So I will write here 1.2. By putting these values, we will get the value of k2, which is equal to 0.0666. Now we need to find the average weightage, that is mean weight, mean k, which is equal to k1 plus k2 divided by 2, which will come it as 0.0333. Now by this means, we will get the value y1, which is equal to y0 plus mean k. Right now y0 is of 1.2 and mean k is of 0.0333, which will give us 1.2333. This will be the answer. Y1 at x1 is equal to 0.2. Now we need to repeat the same procedure by keeping x1 and y1, these values. So this will be the iteration number 2. Iteration 2. Since we need to find the value of y at x is equal to 0.4, right now we are at 0.2 only. So at iteration number 2, I need to find k1, k2 and mean k. The formula for k1 is of h into f of x0, y0. Formula for k2 is equal to h of f of x0 plus h, y0 plus k1. Now if you look here, I have written the same questions or same equations over here, but the little change you have to make. Since we are at a second iteration level, so I have to write here, instead of y0 and x0, I need to change these values as x1 and y1. Simply this much change you have to take. So value of function at x1 and y1. This will be the initial condition for the iteration number 2. So I will write here x1 and y1 are the initial condition. H1 and y1 are the initial condition for second iteration. So by this you will get the values k1, which is equal to 0.003324, and value of k2, which is equal to 0.01326. By this you will get the mean value, which is of 008292. Now we need to find the value of y2, which is equal to y1. See, in the first iteration, x0 and y0 are the initial conditions, so that I have taken here y0. In the second iteration, y1, x1, y1 are the initial conditions, so that I have taken here y1. So plus the mean k. So the value of y1 is of 1.2333 plus value of mean k is of 0.008292, which will give us 1.2149. Now this will be the value at x2 is equal to 0.4. This will be our answer. Thank you and stay connected for more videos.